Hello everyone, sorry for the weird angle, but I've kind of changed my camera setup so that I can eventually have you guys look at all this stuff I have on my table. So just bear with me. Okay, I'm gonna talk like this and soon you don't have to look at this weird footage. So today I'm planning to share how I make my press shadows, and I'm really excited about that. This is kind of my pet project. It has been on my mind since last February, I think. That's when I first placed the order from TKB Trading, and I wasn't able to do it because I hadn't figured out how to mix the pigments correctly. But I think I kind of have a hang of it now, and my plan is to record a series of videos. In the first one, I'll kind of share what I have in terms of supplies and what one needs to get started. In the second one, I will show you guys all the different amazing pigments that I have from TKB Trading, and you guys know how much I love swatching and shimmery stuff. So, and in the third one onwards, I'm thinking that I should kind of make quads or trios of different colors that one could use for a look, a complete look. Just because that way I feel like I'll stay more focused, because I have mixed so many random colors that there is no shortage of what I have. And some of them will go into the giveaway palette. This is what it looks like right now. Yes, so I'm missing two still. I took out the one here because it was one of those accidental shadows and I hadn't swatched it, but it just looks so pretty that I was like, oh, I should put it in here. But then I was like, I haven't swatched it, so you don't know what it looks like, and it actually looks very nice. And now that I have swatched it, I don't want to put it in here, so I'll try and recreate it at some later point of time, and if I do it before the end of this giveaway, I'll add it. I do plan to add a teal shadow, so let's see what the last one ends up being. It might end up being that same red color, or oh, I have created this matte one. I'm calling this the strawberry milkshake, and you guys cannot see what I'm pointing to. So this is a matte shadow that I have created, and it's called strawberry milkshake. So I do plan to add a teal one, and then eventually, I don't know, this might end up being like a darker matte or a vibrant punchy matte. I don't know yet, but let's see what we create. If we create something amazing today, I'll add it in here. Yeah, if we don't, then I'll just use them myself. But yeah, so this first video, we are going to start with what one needs, or what you'll need to get started, because it wasn't very clear to me when I first started. And there is a plethora of information online, and it's very difficult to narrow it down and put it in a concise manner. And not just for anybody else, for myself, I want it that way. I wanted everything that has worked for me in one document or one video. No, it's not gonna be one video, but it'll be eventually in one kind of post on my blog post. That's my thought. So okay, so let's get started. Let me show you guys what I have, and if you like this video and in general the concept of this series, do give this video a thumbs up. If you have any specific shades that we should recreate from, say, the Pat McGrath holiday line or the Natasha Denona palettes, then do let me know so in the comments below, and we'll do that. Okay, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and you'll see me in the next video. Let's go.